I like Andrea Bocelli. He's one of my favorite singers, artists. And also Mexican music, all types of music, if I could sing it.
I want Diego to be able to do all the same work that the other students are doing, and sometimes we have to make it look a little different for him, but as long as he is accomplishing the same end product as the other students, then he can feel like he's really part of the class and taking ownership for the same work that they're doing.
Since joining Miss Martinez's choir class, I've noticed a great increase in his independence and openness to learning new things and socializing with the other students, and use of the 3D symbols, the tactile printing pages, and the hard and electronic braille all come together to best meet his needs so he can participate fully in the classroom.
He has been so excited to finally be able to learn how to read and write the music that he has been able to enjoy for so long.
But it's a new way to see music in a different way, and I'm glad to be able to see music that way. The notes, do, re, mi, fa, so, yeah, something like that.